Hi! In front of me is Honor X6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Biometrics and Password. After that, tap on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Over here, you can tap on Get Started at the bottom right corner. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. You can even add another appearance by tapping over here and following all of these same instructions. Now you can manage those options however you wish to. So when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you wish to delete your face data, tap on Face Recognition section again. So click. Enter your current login method and tap on Delete all facial data at the top. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!